Traditional insurance charges drivers unfairly. When determining premiums, underwriters use factors which are heavily biased, such as age, gender, education, occupation, car model, or mileage. Drivers are grouped into the same category regardless of how safe their driving is. Safe drivers end up paying for dangerous drivers' bad decisions. That's why, at Multiverse, we believe that motor insurance needs to be updated and personalized. Insurance premiums should be based on safe driving decisions. We want to encourage and reward safe driving and penalize only those who make dangerous driving decisions. Powered by AI technology, Multiverse uses dashcam with sensors and the driver's smartphone to understand individual driving risks. Driving data is protected and tied to each driver's smartphone, so mobility services such as car sharing does not affect data accuracy. Multiverse helps drivers save up to 50% off their premiums. Our monthly subscription includes a standard rate and an additional charge based on the driver's safety score. When drivers practice safer driving, they will be given a better safety score and rewarded with a discounted rate. This encourages drivers to keep up their safe driving habits. Using Multiverse, all claims and payments can be done directly from the driver's phone. Multiverse is designed to reconstruct driving situations through digital simulations. Our AI technology lets us predict accidents and warn drivers of impending danger. Our system can also detect and protect against cyber hacking and is compatible with autonomous and electric vehicles. We believe that insurance premiums should be priced based on safe driving choices. We can assess driving risks as well as predict accidents and protect against cyber hacking. Together, we can promote better road safety for all.